everyone, welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play a simplified beginner version of Heaven by Niall Horan. I've had a few of you reach out to me and request this, so if this is something that you'd be interested in learning, then stick around and let's get into the lesson. Let's dive into the chords that we need to learn for the song. The first thing that you're going to need to do is put a capo onto your 5th fret. The reason why we're doing this is so that we can play in the same key as the original song. So we have two sections in the song. We have the verse and the chorus, and we also then have a pre-chorus that comes in later in the song. So let's start with the chords we need in the verse and in the chorus. So we're going to start on a C major. We then go to a D minor, and then we have an F major 7. So let's practice that again. A C major to our D minor chord and to our F major 7. The strumming pattern that we're going to be using in the song in the verse and the chorus sounds like this: down, down, up, up, down, down. Down, down, up, up, down, down. And we're going to play 2 strumming patterns on each chord. So let's practice that together, starting on the C. 1, 2, 3, go. The second section of the song that we're going to be looking at today is the pre-chorus, and this is when we have 4 chords. The chords are E minor to an A minor to that F major 7 chord and to a G major. And we're going to keep this part of the song really simple and stripped down. We're only going to do 1 down strum on each chord. And we're going to repeat the chord pattern twice. So we're starting on E minor. Make sure you're counting to 2 on each chord. 1, 2, change. 1, 2, 1, 2, and to G. Repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2. There you have it, everyone. That is a simplified, stripped down version of Heaven by Niall Horan. All that's left to do now is to join me for a play along in the next section of this lesson. A 1, 2, 3, go. Strange light revolves around you. You float across the room. Your touch is made of something heaven can hold a candle to. You're made of something new. Let's not get complicated. Let's just enjoy the view. It's hard to be a human, so much to put an answer to. But that's just what we do. God only knows where this could go. Even if our love starts to grow out of control, you and me go up in flames. Heaven won't be the same. I'm having revelations. You dance across the floor, beyond infatuation. How I obsessively adore you. That's what I do. I believe I could die in your kiss. No, it doesn't get better than this. God only knows where this could go. Even if our love starts to grow out of control, you and so much for watching this lesson today. I hope that you enjoyed it. For those of you who asked, I really hope that you enjoy playing this really awesome song. Please pop down in the comments, tell me how you found the lesson, and let me know other song requests that you might have. Also, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel, join the Stellar Guitarist community. I would absolutely love to have you. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!